Good morning. We are currently on our way to Charlestown State Park. What do you think?
Whoa.
Whoa. Phoenix, smell that.
The Charlestown. We're going to Rhode Island? Just kidding, it says Rose Island.
We've made it. We're here.
We're here.
We're here and we're
We're
about to
here.
explore trails 3 and 4 at Charleston State Park. And what should we expect?
There is a 1920s Amusement Park.
There is an abandoned 1920 amusement park here, and we're going to see it. Yeah, we're going back to the future.
No, that's not.
We're going. We just started Trail 4, and we're going to check out this beautiful scenery, the beautiful nature, and then we're going to go to the 1920s abandoned amusement park. Yeah.
He's on the ground, so I don't want to take him off, but there's a spider on your tripod. Get off.
Here we go. We have found pines. Found pines much earlier into this hike compared to the other ones. And if you haven't checked out the other ones,
Check him out
check them
now.
out.
Now.
A turtle! So much life on this trail. Trail 4 has been nothing but nature. There's been chirping birds, slithering snakes, scary spiders,
A snail.
hissing turtles, everything in between. Oh my, it has been beautiful throughout here so far. This is what I get for being romantic and cute.
What?
It's a secret between us.
Can I poke it?
I would not poke it.
I want it to move.
I'd go around. We're leaving you alone, buddy. You leave me alone, I'll leave you alone.
Here, this is Haley Camp. This is Haley Camp time, okay? This is my specialty. They're beautiful. They're beautiful and they're huge. They're beautiful and they're huge. Oh my god. Wee. Wee. head. Beautiful.
We're finishing up Trail 4, which was beautiful.
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 And now we're heading to Trail 3 to get to the 1920s Abandoned Amusement Park, Rose Island. A little history about Rose Island is it had a dance hall, a zoo, a hotel, and even a wooden coaster.
Ah!
A wooden coaster. I don't know if that was OSHA regulated back in the day, but Rose Island, here we come.
Yay!
Yeah, this is fairly steep. Fairly steep. Water break. Water break over.
Flood flag. Jesus, look how high up it is.
It flooded
That high.
that
For
high.
reference,
All the way up to there.
I am 5'5", 5'6".
Wow. We're here! We're here at Rose Island. We're ready to explore.
I'm so excited, I can't wait.
She's yawning, but I'm telling you, she's ready.
I'm yawning, but I'm excited. I just didn't get a lot of sleep, and it's okay. I'm excited.
Fountain. We think this is a fountain. We don't know. Arches! Arches! Old arches.
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 How they got here? They got here by boat.
Wow.
They had a black bear? Wow, and a water bottle.
This might have been the fountain. I love you. Walking through Rose Island, the 1920 abandoned amusement park, has gotten me thinking. I think about the past and everyone that used to be here, that lived their lives and had their jobs, and how they traveled here, or even how they got here. And I think about what they used to do, how they used to live their life, and the things they've built. All those things they've done are still here, and people can still see them, and people can still experience them and enjoy what they left. It makes me think about YouTube and how I record these videos for people to enjoy and people watch, and they listen, and they truly care about what I have to say, and I feel grateful for that. I see YouTube as a way to get what I have on the inside outside for people to hear. And I want people to experience my life with me. I want my legacy to be solidified through these videos. Because I will be gone in 100 years, but my YouTube channel won't. And you could be someone from the year 2051. How? I'm just grateful I'm here now, and I live in modern America, and I have a camera, and I have a mic in the middle of a forest that has a swimming pool, and people used to swim here. And I'm here. If you haven't experienced the world or thrown yourself into nature, you should. It changes your perspective on everything, and you start seeing more, feeling more, and living more. Let's get back to it.
Yay!
I'm sorry.
You're right.
We're done. We got the Rose Island experience, and we didn't even have to pay for admission.
Nope, haha, we're right here on the boat.
We got lots of climbing to do. We're done.
We're done.
Rose Island was an experience. This whole trail was an experience. We saw so much nature. It has been one of the most interesting hikes we've been on. We saw so much from the past, and There is a lot more to look at rather than just running through some nature. If you're looking for a good hiking experience, Rose Island is it. 10 out of 10 experience.
10 out of 10.
Oh yeah.
Had a great time. Go
Thanks
there.
for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for everything you do. Keep on keeping on.